All right, picture this. The deep, dark ocean, millions of years ago. It's pitch black, barely any life, and, most importantly, not enough oxygen for most animals to call it home. But then something extraordinary started to happen. Over countless millennia, oxygen levels in the ocean began to rise, and that changed everything. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about a little extra oxygen? Well, for most of Earth's history, the ocean was more like a suffocating soup than the vibrant, bustling world we see today. Marine animals just couldn't survive in the deeper, darker parts of the sea. They were stuck in the shallows, clinging to life near the surface where oxygen was easier to find. But as oxygen levels rose, thanks to natural processes like photosynthesis from ancient algae, the game changed. Suddenly, parts of the ocean that once seemed off-limits became brand new neighborhoods for adventurous sea creatures. This meant animals could dive deeper, explore new spaces, and escape predators by venturing into the unknown. With more oxygen fueling their bodies, marine animals grew bigger, moved faster, developed more complex behaviors. Think about it. The rise in ocean oxygen was like giving sea life a giant permission slip to innovate. Over time, this led to an explosion of diversity, more species, more weird and wonderful shapes, the birth of complex marine ecosystems, coral reefs, deep-sea vents, entire food webs sprang up, all because there was finally enough oxygen to go around. New research shows that these shifts weren't just gradual. There were moments in Earth's history when oxygen levels jumped, opening the floodgates for evolutionary leaps. Whenever oxygen spiked, animal life surged into new territory, occupying depths that were previously lifeless. What's really wild is that, even today, the amount of oxygen in the ocean controls where animals can live. In places where oxygen is low, like parts of the deep Pacific, life is sparse. But where oxygen is high, the sea is packed with creatures of every shape and size, all taking advantage of that life-giving gas. So next time you see a documentary about the wild, mysterious deep sea, remember, it's not just darkness and pressure that makes it a tough place to live. It's about the oxygen, how much there is, and how it got there. The story of complex marine life is really the story of our oceans learning to breathe. And who knows? Maybe the next big jump in ocean oxygen will spark the evolution of creatures we can't even imagine yet. The sea still has secrets, and oxygen is the key to unlocking them. Thanks for diving deep with me. If you enjoyed this curiosity trip, drop a like and let's keep exploring the hidden wonders of our planet together.